Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to mark the attendance through SmartSchool. So first you can do is you can go to google.com and from that you can search for the college name, and once open the college website, from here you can click on login SmartSchool. So if you're a new user and you don't remember the password, you can always go to forget password, enter your college email ID and then click on reset password. So it will send a link to your college email from which you can reset the password. Let's say you have already logged in or you know the password, you can just go to your college account, username password will be same. And then when you log in into the SmartSchool, in here you will be able to see the classroom module. You can see there will be a lot of classes added to you. So you can do is go to favorites and click on classroom management. And from here, year-wise, you can open the modules which has been assigned to you. So in here, if I'm going to mark the attendance for this particular module, open that, and in here you will be able to see the student list. In case if any of the students are missing from the list, you can inform our coordinator or the admin staff, they will add the student. So let us say to mark the attendance, you need to click on the attendance tab, and in here you can need to click on take attendance. So once you click take attendance, in here it will show you the list of the students. Also you need to make sure you enter the correct details like the date. For example, if the class was on 18th, I'll select the date as 18, and then by default all the students the duration is showing 90 minutes. That is the class hours from 7 to 8:30, that is 90 minutes. In case if the students join late for the class, especially if it is for a face-to-face students, the time teacher start the class, they can keep this window open. And if the class is at 5 o'clock and student join at 5:30, you can mark the attendance accordingly. So for if it is 90 minutes and 30 minutes late means you need to enter 60. If the student join on time, it can be 90. If they join late, if they absent, you can put it 0. So according, if students join the class on time, if 10 minutes late or 5 minutes late, you can update the marks accordingly. So based on the time they spend in the class, we have to give the attendance the value. For the online classes, what you can do is after the class is over, once the recording is done, you will be getting a attendance sheet similar to this fashion, where you will be able to see precisely how much time they have been in the class. So this is a 1 hour 30-minute class. If the student has joined for 57 minutes, you just give 57. If they have been here for 1 hour 30 minutes complete, then you can give 90. If they join for 1 hour 19 or 20 minutes, then you can enter accordingly. So that is 60 plus 20, 80 minutes will be the in here. If they join late 45 minutes, you can put 45 minutes. So same thing will be applicable for both online students and face-to-face. So online students attendance you can mark after the class is over and you get the Google Sheet. For face-to-face students, lecturer can mark during the class session itself, but don't submit. Let's everyone join at the end of the session. You can keep it open at the beginning, and at the end of the session you can click on create sheet. And there can be cases where you take extra class. So by default, your class time will be 7 to 8:30. In case you have an extra class taken for 1 hour additional, you can do is put this additional hour in here. So you can get approval from the dean first for the extra hours and then time, and then you can enter the time here and press enter. So automatically the duration will get adjusted. And based on this, you can mark the attendance if the student attended how much time, if they join for full 2 hours, or if they join for got absent, or if they join only for 50 minutes. Accordingly, you can update. But make sure enter the date correctly when you mark the attendance, because it's not an editable option, will not be there. So please make sure you have the attendance sheet with you after the class, put the details correctly and update the sheet. So once you update the sheet, the same information like the total number of classes taken, total hours covered, all this information will be displayed to the students also. They will be able to view this information from the view. So it's better to update the attendance on daily basis, or at least if you can enter the current day's attendance in the next day. Thank you.